good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching me from. Thank you for coming to my YouTube channel. I appreciate it. Feel more welcome. My name is Fosa, and I am your, how do I call myself? I'm that person who advises you on the various things to do in your life, like inspire you. So today, I won't take much of your time. By the way, if you're new in this channel, feel more welcomed, and kindly subscribe. Go through my videos, subscribe, like. I'll be creating more videos, more beneficial videos as time goes by. It's been a while since I created a video, but now I'm back and I hope we'll be meeting more often. So today, I won't take much of your time, but I want to teach you on the benefits of vitamin C to your skin. So I'll take you through vitamin C. So vitamin C is a vitamin that is essential for so many things in our bodies. Vitamin C helps your skin. When you take vitamin C, it will protect your skin and even your body organs from free radicals. These free radicals come from processed foods. When your body breaks down the food that you have eaten, or when you're exposed to the sun, or when you're exposed to tobacco, those effects, vitamin C helps you, protects your body from those effects, the effects of those radicals. Now, where do we get vitamin C? Vitamin C is found in yellow fruits like mangoes, ripe mangoes, fruits like oranges, orange juice, strawberries, pepper. So wale wanakula pilipili, continue. It's beneficial for your health because it has vitamin C. The berries also have vitamin C. There are a lot of sources of vitamin C, very many. And vitamin C also is very important in various ways. Like it helps in maybe reducing, I can just tell you a few, reducing the risk of cancer, reducing, helping with your memory. If you're a mother and maybe after giving birth, you lose your memory. You know, mothers suffer from slight memory loss after giving birth. So vitamin C can help you regain your memory, or even if you're aging and your memory, you're losing your memory due to age, vitamin C is also beneficial for you. So today, out of all those benefits of vitamin C, I want to teach you about the benefits of vitamin C on your skin, which is making you look young and fighting. It's an antioxidant, so generally it will help you remove the marks on your face. It will help you to look flawless. Ladies, we always want to look flawless. So vitamin C is your friend. When it comes to flawlessness, vitamin C is your friend. So vitamin C comes in various forms for ladies. There is a vitamin C serum that is sold as a serum in a processed form, and then you apply it on your skin. If you're not able to get that kind of vitamin C, you can still make your vitamin C at home. So today I want to show you how to make your vitamin C at home. Vitamin C looks like this. It's a tab. It's kind of, which color is this? Orange. It's an orange color. It comes in orange, and you can either swallow. This is a tablet, so this is for swallowing. But I want to teach you how to make your own serum from this tablet, the vitamin C tablet. So all you need to do is like 2 tablets of vitamin C, and it's very cheap, by the way. If you go to your chemist, it doesn't cost you, like this one will not even go beyond 100 shillings. So you take like 2 tablets of vitamin C. Let me tilt my camera a bit so you're able to see what I'm doing. Okay, so you'll take your vitamin C like this, then you put it here. This is you can use a serviette, you can use a tissue, Just put it there, you fold, then you get something that you can use to crush it. Then just crush it like this. After crushing the vitamin C, you'll get a powder that looks like this one. Camera jamani. You'll get a powder. This is a vitamin C powder, and vitamin C is water soluble. So because it is water soluble, it will dissolve very fast in water than any other thing. That's why when you check most sites or most channels, they will tell you to mix the vitamin C with the vitamin E, which is an oil. I've tried that and I've realized it doesn't mix well. So I advise you use water. So you can just put it on your hand. Ukisha crush, just put it in your hand like this. Then take just a little water. I have my water here. So just pour a little to make a paste. You can use your hand, you can put it somewhere in a container to make a paste, an orange paste. So once you get your orange paste, this is now what you will use to apply on your face. Just take it with your hand and you apply on your face. Just take it and apply on your face, on the areas where you see maybe there are marks. Maybe you want to remove marks on your face, or you have sunburn, you have marks on your face that you want to remove. So you apply on the affected area, but you can just as well apply on your entire face. I guarantee you, if you do this, you will have a smooth face, very smooth, and it also helps to fade away your marks. So hizo marks mingi, those pimple marks zenye uko nazo, use vitamin C. To me, I use it every day and I've seen a difference. I don't know whether it's recommended medically to use every day, but this is my face and I decide what to do with my face. So me, I use it daily. I use it daily and I've seen tremendous change. I've seen those marks go away. I used to have a lot of pimples. I've seen those pimples go away. I used to have pimples on this side. If you check this side of my face, you will see there's still some marks, pimple marks. I've seen those pimple marks go away. I've seen my face being improving, being flawless. Yeah, and that's the beauty. So even men, even if you're a man, you can still use vitamin C. You don't have to be a lady for you to use vitamin C. And again, by the way, vitamin C is also good when you swallow it. I told you from the beginning that our bodies don't produce vitamin C. So actually we need to get it from our food or as a supplement. So this is a vitamin C supplement, and it also boosts your immune system. Kizungu jamani. It also boosts your immune system. So you can take, this is one tablet is 100 milligrams, but your body needs around 40 to, I think below 100. I'm not sure, but I think it's below 100 milligrams. So you can take one tablet per day or as prescribed by the person who has given you this from the chemist. So that is all for today, guys. Thank you for your time. Thank you for listening to me. Once again, if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe to my channel. Kindly like my videos. If there is a comment, something that you want to add for the viewers to know, kindly do it on the comment section. Feel free to comment. Feel free to like my video. Feel free to subscribe. Until next time, bye.